Today we are going to discuss about interrelations between molality and see main formulas here. The first one is mole fraction and molarity. Mole fraction, that means X, and molarity capital M दोनों का relation. Next, molarity capital M and mole fraction. Of course, if you know from this 1 and 2 any one formula, if you know, the second one is easy. Okay, if you remember only one formula, that is enough. You have to substitute from this formula only, you will get this one. Okay, so first formula you have to know. Then mole fraction into molality, small m and x, right? This one small m and x. So third formula, if you know third formula, that is enough. Then molality and molarity, small m and capital M. This one molarity and molality, capital M and small m. That means fifth. So odd number if you know enough, 1, 3, 5 formulas if you know, the remaining 2, 4, 6 is depends on that. Okay, so 3 formulas you have to remember. So I will tell you the derivation of these equations also. In this formula, what is this m and m1 row? Okay, these things I will explain once. You can take screenshot, otherwise I will send it. See here, x1 and x2, these are the mole fractions. x1 and x2, these are the mole fractions. Of course, it is solvent mole fraction. This is solute mole fraction. Solute mole fraction. What about m? M for molar mass. See here, m2 is the solute molar mass. 2 is the solvent. See, I am writing here 2 means solute. Sorry, solute. 1 is solvent. Right? Now, D is the density. Sorry, it's not D, it's a rho. Rho is density. Sometimes we will show with D, but here it is given as rho, density. M for molarity. This capital M1 and M2, those are molecular mass. Okay, 2 is the solute, 1 is solvent. Next, बस इतना ही है. Small m, small m is the molality. The small m is molality. ठीक है, these are the things. Next, the relation between molarity and molality, capital M and small m. See the relation. See, what is the formula? Capital M equal to molarity equal to, you can write this formula. Sorry, here solvent mass. This is the small m equal to molality equal to, we can write this formula. Solute mass by gram molecular weight of solute into 1000 by solvent mass. Just now I discussed molality formula it is. Okay, molality formula. Right? Now, here solvent mass we required. Solvent mass, how we will get it? Solvent mass, solution mass minus solute mass we have to do. Solvent mass equal solution mass minus solute mass. If you do, you will get solvent mass. Now, what is the mass equal to? Mass equal to volume into density. You know the formula, D equal to mass by volume hota hai. Then mass equal to V into D. Okay, right? This much clear. Now, so wherever solvent is there, I can write this solution minus solute. See here, your first step is clear to everyone. Okay, see,
Yes, sir.
I cannot see every time messages. You can say yes or no. You understood this first step, molality formula. This was the molality formula. I written here solvent. In place of solvent I written here solution minus solute. This much clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here this W by MW, this is equal to number of moles. It equal to number of moles, right? Here molarity also telling that number of moles only. If you take 1 liter, see, suppose I am writing here 1.5 mHCl is there. What is that meaning? If I take it is 1 liter, in that 1.5 moles of HCl is present. So nothing but this molarity is giving the information about moles. Of course you have to take 1 liter. This second step is clear. The molarity is indicating
Yes, sir.
indirectly number of moles in 1 liter. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So wherever N is required, I written here molarity, capital M. In place of N, I written here capital M. Then remaining formula as it is. Okay, इधर N होने वाला था, लेकिन I written here M into 1000 by solvent के जगह पे solution minus solute. बस ये तो समझ गए, तो बस आगे बस यही तो रिलेशन है. This is the relation between molarity and molality. Okay, this is the formula. Capital M into 1000 by 1000 D. What is 1000 D? 1000 means the solution. वो volume था 1000 ml था. 1000 ml, see 1000 ml into density. वो तो क्या होगा? Volume of solution, mass of solution. Yes, mass of solution minus solute mass. Solute mass कैसे पता चलेगा? How many what is the molarity into molecular mass? Into molecular mass. Again I am coming to this example. See, I given you here 1.5 mHCl. In 1.5 mHCl में how many grams of HCl is there? What you will do? 1.5 into 36.5 you will do. Yes, in 1 liter how much HCl is there means what you will do? That molarity into molecular mass you will do. Yes, this is the solute mass.
Yes, sir.
Hello, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
बट सब लोग नहीं बोल रहे ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, clear.
Right. See, I did not do any lot of changes. Only one thing I written first molality formula I written here. Just wait. What happened? I written just molality formula. Where the number of moles is there, I took it as molarity because I am taking it is 1 liter solution. Now where solvent is there, in place of solvent I written solution minus solute. वो solution के mass में how to convert means volume into density. So here it was 1000 ml was there. This 1000 ml into D, 1000 ml into D, that is mass of solution minus mass of solute. So indirectly it is representing the solvent mass. So this derivation is over. मैं यही डेरिवेशन का थोड़ा आगे करना है तो I can divide with 1000 up and down. So above the 1000 will get cancelled, here also 1000 will get cancelled. So D for D or rho, same solute minus here 1 by 1000 means it will come 0.001 into m into mb. mb means nothing but m2. See, no need to go through this. ये फार्मूला समझ गए तो enough. From this formula only they derived m equal to क्या होता है. वो तो you are the mathematics and simple mathematics this one. If you know this formula, this capital M equal to क्या है वो लिख सकते. Okay, two proofs over here, molarity and molality दोनों का. Done. Next, mole fraction and molality. Mole fraction x and molality small m relation. See, again I am writing this molality formula. W solute by mw solute into 1000 by w solvent. Okay, this was the formula. This pink color, it was the formula, right? Molality ka formula, right? So now what I am doing here, the solvent is there ना, the solvent को molecular weight of solvent से multiplying and dividing. Okay, now this solute mass by molar mass equal to n solute होगा. नीचे mass of solute by molecular mass of solute. I am changing the color here to understand. See, mass of solute by molecular mass of solute, this much is equal to NB होगा, n solvent होगा, this green color. Are you getting? Mass by molar mass into n solvent. अभी what is remaining? 1000 ऊपर, नीचे molecular weight of solvent. Everyone, you understood this second step?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I am repeating again. I retain only molality formula. Here mass of solvent was there. उसको multiplied and divide with molecular weight of solvent. Only one thing I did here, this one. Right? After that, mass by molar mass equal to एक moles हो गया, n solvent हो गया. Right? Next, we know that xb by xa equal to nb by na. Here b means solute, b means solute, a means solvent. Do you have any doubt here? If you have doubt, I will clear. xb को क्या लिख सकते मैं? nb by na plus nb लिख सकते. xa को na by na plus nb. So these will get cancelled. That means nothing but xb by xa equal to nb by na. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. nb by na
Yes, sir.
equal to xb by xa. So wherever this, it is nothing but nb. It is nothing but nb. It is nothing but na. So nb by na के जगह पे I can write xb by xa. This is the final equation. It is not difficult. Just थोड़ा concentrate करना है, बस इतना ही है. Everyone, you understood second step, I think. After that, already we proved this xb by xa equal to nb by na. That's only I am substituting here. Final formula आ गया. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the relation between mole fraction and molality. Once you are getting this, see this derivation I can do again with different format. See, xb by xa equal to nb by na. Just now also we derived that. We know that xb plus xa equal to always 1. That means XA equal to 1 minus XB, we can write it. We can write it. NB means generally solute. Mass of solute by molecular mass of solute into, here also mass of solute by molecular mass of solvent, right? So this step again I will expand it here only. XB by XA equal NB matlab what we can write, WB by WA, MA. W means weight, M for molecular weight. This one is W, this is the B. Now WA by MA. This much is clear. XB by XA equal to NB by NA. That means W by MB upon WA by MA. Yes?
Yes, sir.
I can write this one A by B into D by C according to mathematics. MA by WA. That is only this step. Okay. Here XA जगह पे I can write 1 minus XB. XA जगह पे ये XB इधर गए तो minus XB. So this second step. Everyone you understood this second step now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now next step. So ये left side वाला as it is है. Right side what they did here, just 1000 से multiply and divide किया था. 1000 से multiplied and divide. Now if you do 1000 multiply and divide, what about this much? Mass of solute by molecular mass of solute into 1000 by solvent, mass of solvent. Mass of solvent, that means is nothing but molality हो गया. Yes, this total bracket is equal to molality. Yes.
Yes.
So that's only over. This is also one of the proof. ये 1 minus XB जगह पे you can write XA also, that's up to you. This one you can write XB by XA equal small m into capital MA upon 1000. ये two types of proofs, वो कैसे भी कर सकते हैं. Again I am repeating last. See, XB by XA equal to NB by NA, we can write it सीधा. NB by NA equal to mass by molecular mass into mass by molecular mass, ये तो लिख सकते. Then what is the next step? 1000 से multiply and divided. So this total bracket, the green bracket, is equal to molality. Okay. Now finally conclusion is molality and mole fraction. Molality and mole fraction X. ये दोनों का रिलेशन हो गया. इसमें कुछ डाउट है तो पूछना है. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, ये डेरिवेशन हमको एग्जाम में नहीं पूछेंगे कोई भी. So if you remember the formula, it's fine. But you have to know. If you know, then suppose formula में कुछ confusion है, नहीं तो you forgot the formula, then you can derive immediately. That is only the logic. But if you remember direct formula, that's fine. Next, when molarity and density and percentage is given, so directly this is the formula, capital M equal to percentage into density into 10 upon molecular weight of solute. Molecular weight of solute. Then what about this percentage? What is that percentage means? Percentage means here mass by mass percentage. Okay. How this formula came? So once you see the right side, first I written the first step is molarity formula. Molarity equal mass of solute by molecular weight of solute into 1000 by V. फर्स्ट स्टेप में किसको भी डाउट है? ये मोलारिटी फार्मूला, देयर इज नो डाउट इन द फर्स्ट स्टेप?
No, sir.
No doubt. In the second step, what I did is solution है ना, in place of solution, I written here mass by density. Obviously you can write it now, mass by density. क्यों? Because we know that density equal to mass by volume, then volume equal to mass by density. Yes, mass of solution by density. इस सेकंड स्टेप में किसको भी डाउट है?
No, sir.
No,
Sir.
right. Now this d will go up. That is very simple mathematics. A by b by c by d equal to a by b into d by c. वो तो d तो ऊपर गया, 1000 d हो गया, mw हो गया. ठीक है, मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन को वी कैन राइट mw और मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. नाउ ये ग्रीन ब्रैकेट देखो, मास ऑफ सोल्यूट बाय मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन into 100. What is this green bracket? This is equal to mass by mass percentage. This is equal to mass by mass percentage. Mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. Yes, first class we discussed percentages. See, weight of solute by mass or weight of solution into 100. This is equal to percentage. The percentage means mass by mass percentage. Yes. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This green bracket, total green bracket is equal to mass by mass percentage into here 1000 में 100 तो परसेंटेज में गया था, अभी 10 बाकी था, into 10 into d upon molecular mass of solute. Molecular mass of solute. बिकॉज ये mw ऐसा ही था, दिस वाज द सोल्यूट था ना, ये तो सोल्यूट था, अभी भी वो सोल्यूट ऐसा ही था, राइट. सो फाइनली ये फार्मूला तो ये है, m इक्वल टू परसेंटेज इंटू डेंसिटी इंटू 10 बाई मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ सोल्यूट. एवरीवन यू अंडरस्टूड दिस फार्मूला डेरिवेशन?
Yes, sir.
Next, molarity and mole fraction. Molarity, capital M and X. Molarity and mole fraction. See here, let solvent A and solvent B. Solvent को मान लो A, solute को B, right? Then M equal to NB by V of solution. What is this? This is the molarity formula I written here. ये स्टेप में किसको भी डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज क्लियर. Molarity
Yes,
formula
sir.
I written. That's enough. NB means that is solute. Solute, number of moles of solute by volume of solution. That is the formula. Now, if I take in ml, NB into 1000 by volume of solution in ml. In this step also, there is no doubt. Yes. Volume of solution equal to what I written here, solute plus solvent. You can write it now. Solution equal to solute plus solvent. Everyone you know this. Solution equal to solute plus solvent. Yes. So I written this one. So this step is clear. See See what I did here, molarity formula only, still there is no change. Instead of solution I written solute plus solvent, this much only I written. Is it clear this much?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
अभी next point, this is the third point I think. Right. वो ऊपर वाला तो सेम है, NB इंटू 1000 सेम है. सी सोल्यूट, वॉल्यूम ऑफ सोल्यूट के जगह पे आई कैन राइट मास बाय डेंसिटी. सी व्हाट वाज द फार्मूला, D इक्वल टू M by V, so V इक्वल टू M by D, mass by D we can write it. At the same time solvent के लिए भी वैसे ही लिख सकते हैं, by D. So I written here volume के जगह पे I written here mass and mass. Then what I did here, NB, right, okay. Now here mole equal to N equal to, what is the formula, weight by molecular mass. Yes, that implies molecular mass equal to, sorry, molecular mass into N equal to W होगा. एक ये कॉर्नर एक बार चेक करो. मोल इक्वल टू वेट बाय मॉलिक्यूलर मास, देन वेट इक्वल टू मॉलिक्यूलर मास इंटू N, number of moles. This one is clear?
Yes, sir.
डाउट है तो पूछना बेटा. सी N नंबर ऑफ मोल्स, वो तो स्टार्टिंग से तो कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं. मोल इक्वल टू मास बाय मोलार मास, मास को जनरली वेट बोलते, वेट बाय मोलार मास, W by M. एवरीवन यू नो दिस फार्मूला. सो हियर देन W इक्वल टू क्या हो रहा है, N इंटू M, N इंटू M. दिस मच क्लियर? इफ यू गेट इट दिस वन, ये W के जगह पे आई कैन राइट NB इंटू MB, M फॉर मॉलिक्यूलर मास, देन WA के जगह पे NA इंटू MA. Okay, then what I did here, I am dividing with Na plus Nb in both cases, upper one also, down one also, A by B into D by C. So actually these will get cancelled indirectly. Okay, Na plus Nb से दोनों को डिवाइड कर रहे हैं मैं. हेलो, ये स्टेप समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
डाउट है तो पूछना बेटा, कोई बात नहीं, आई विल एक्सप्लेन अगेन. यू मे आस्क सर Na प्लस NB कहाँ से आया, कहाँ से नहीं आया, मैं ले रहे, क्यों ले रहे? एक्स भी चाहिए मेरे को, मोल फ्रैक्शन चाहिए तो लेना पड़ेगा. ओके, Na प्लस NB आई एम टेकिंग. सो कोई भी नंबर और कोई भी चीज़ ले सकते, विथ मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड कर सकते किसको भी. सो आई एम डूइंग सेम थिंग हियर. नाउ NB बाई Na प्लस NB इक्वल टू ये हो गया XB. आई एम चेंजिंग द कलर. दिस NB बाई Na प्लस NB तो हो गया XB. सिमिलरली दिस वन आल्सो XB. Here it is XA. Remaining terms as it is. MB तो as it is, the MA also as it is. 1000D as it is. This is the final formula. Got it? Molarity and mole fraction का relation. Again I am repeat. See what I took first. मोलारिटी फार्मूला आई टुक, कैपिटल M इक्वल टू NB बाई V. V को ml में लिया था, इसमें NB इंटू 1000 बाई V इन ml. वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन आई कैन राइट इट एज सोल्यूट प्लस सॉल्वेंट. solute plus solvent. Then solute volume को I can write it mass by density. Then mass equal to molarity into number of moles. Yes, mass equal to molarity into number of moles. Then I divided with Na plus Nb both. Then Xb Xa टर्म्स आ गए इधर. हाँ, इसमें किसको भी डाउट है? यस
No, sir. No, sir.
ओके, वेरी गुड. ओके, सी हियर डेंसिटी वाला और एक था. सपोज मास बाय मास परसेंटेज है तो जस्ट बिफोर वी discussed that capital M equal to percentage into density into 10 by molecular weight of solute. Already proof just now we discussed. अभी इधर दूसरा और एक फार्मूला है. इधर कोई डेंसिटी तो है ही नहीं. ये क्या है? It is whenever given mass by volume percentage is given, there is no required of density. ओके, रिमेनिंग फार्मूला एज इट इज़. क्यों? देखो, मास बाय वॉल्यूम मतलब मास ऑफ सोल्यूट बाय वॉल्यूम ऑफ सोल्यूशन इनटू 100, दैट इज कॉल्ड m by v परसेंटेज इनटू 10 बाय मॉलिक्यूलर वेट ऑफ सोल्यूट. ओके, ये d कब है? व्हेनेवर मास बाय मास परसेंटेज इज गिवन. Whenever mass by volume percentage is given, no need D. That is only A extra. Got it?
Yes, sir.
See, ये सर कितना फार्मूला सारा है, कैसे याद रखना है? No need to remember those many. If you see, all are coming from main formulas. Only you have to remember एक molarity, molality, normality, mole fraction and ppm. Okay, these things as well. परसेंटेज एक फार्मूला तो याद रखना है, सिमिलैरिटी होगा सब में. राइट. Relation between molarity and normality in the last class also we did. Now again, molarity equals, I will write it, molarity equal mass of solute by molecular mass of solute into 1000 by V. Normality में weight of gram equivalent weight into 1000 by V. So again I am writing N equal weight of gram equivalent weight place में I can write molecular weight upon Z into 1000 by V. So in the next step what will happen? Weight of molecular weight into 1000 by V into Z. ये पूरा टर्म क्या होगा? कैपिटल M होगा. Therefore N equaled M into Z. Then your question is, sir, what about Z? What is that Z? Z is the valency of acid, base, salt. In the yesterday class we discussed for normality में. Okay, this is the relation between normality and molarity. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next, important points to remember. Mass percentage is used in industrial applications. Mole fraction unit is very useful in relating some physical properties of solution, say vapor pressure, with concentration of solutions and quite useful in describing calculations involving gas mixtures. Now you can read easily. See, first point, mass percentage is used in industrial application. Industrial application में we will use either molality or percentages. Why? Anyone can tell the reason? We don't use molarity or normality in industrial applications. We will use molality or these percentages.
Because sir, molarity and normality change with temperature.
Yes, that is the main drawback. That's why we don't use this. We will use here. Chemistry lab में है तो maximum ये we will use this one lab में. Means तो constant temperature में करते हैं. But industrial में generally temperature rising होता है इसलिए different temperature में. So molality percentage these are constant. That's why we will use this. Mole fraction कभी भी percentage type है. It's nothing but the percentages. So relatively बताने के लिए we will use वो 70% है 80% है like that. So relating some physical properties of solutions like vapor pressure, concentration of solution. Okay, for that we will use mole fraction and quite useful in describing the calculations involving gas mixture. वो भी mole fraction is giving proper information. See example, suppose in air carbon dioxide is there, hydrogen is there, and oxygen is there, nitrogen is there. See कितना percentage है मतलब if you take mole fraction of nitrogen that is approximately 0.7 is there means nothing but 70% is there almost. Okay. So if I say molarity में molarity suppose it has molarity solution I suppose solution में molarity is there 10 molarity is there even though we cannot tell what about the other it may be तो 20 हो सकता है it may be 10 हो सकता है. So if you give only molarity we cannot tell that comparatively how much it is a large quantity है क्या less quantity है we cannot tell. Whenever we are talking about mole fraction easily we can get it how much percentage is there comparatively this quantity is less or more we will get to know easily. Okay, that is the reason mole fraction for comparing mole fraction is the best unit. Next, 35.5% volume by volume solution of ethylene glycol and antifreeze is used in cars for cooling engine. Do you know that antifreeze means? On first day, I think on that Gudi Padwa day, I took one class. I told you that minus 10 degrees Celsius may be the battery liquid cannot freeze. Generally water to pure it will get freeze, but the battery liquids are not getting freeze. Why? So we will use some other external some solutions. Those are generally alcohols. Here ethylene glycol, it is known as antifreeze. Antifreeze means वो freeze होने का it will stop the freezing of water. It will stop the freezing of water. That is known as antifreeze. Is used in cars for cooling engine. Okay. It lowers the freezing point. So what will happen? Generally वाटर का तो 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस होता है. इफ़ यू ऐड दिस द फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट इट गोज टू -17.6 डिग्रीज. सो -10 में क्या है? -10 में तो लिक्विड है, देयर इज नो फ्रीज. प्रथमेश, आर यू हियर? प्रथमेश, Hello.
Yes, sir.
Beta, you asked that question, na? Yes, now answer came. So again we will get it in the main chapter also. So immediately ask, sir, how? So this is the one reason. How means again it will come. Okay, these are the some important points. Now, commercial bleaching solution contains 3.62% mass percentage of sodium hypochlorite. Sodium hypochlorite. See, bleaching, why it will, कोई भी चीज़ ब्लीचिंग कैसे एक्ट करते हैं? रिसेंटली वन स्टूडेंट आस्क्ड दैट व्हाट इज नेसेंट, नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन और नेसेंट. बेटा नेसेंट हाइड्रोजन होता है, नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन होता है, नेसेंट क्लोरीन होता है. नेसेंट मीन्स हाईली रिएक्टिव, अनस्टेबल, इमीडिएट वो जनरेट होता है. सी हाइड्रोजन इज नॉट स्टेबल, राइट? If you want to generate, you can generate in the test tube. The hydrogen will rise, means generate, immediately it will react with some X and forming some other components. We cannot store it. इसका बोलते in situ. In situ मतलब instantly generating and reacting. We cannot store it. So here oxygen also like that. Even if you take NaOCl reaction with H2O, bleaching, what will happen here? This NaCl plus nascent oxygen. Nascent oxygen means atomic, this atom. Okay, so this atom is immediately react with any one of this, whatever it is there. Suppose कोई कुछ colors है, suppose I can give one example. Flower is there, flowers. So this oxygen react with the color of the flower. Suppose rose flower is there. That rose color is getting oxidation and it becomes colorless. It becomes colorless हो जाता है, colorless. Okay, so finally just getting oxidation, that is important. So here bleaching, this oxygen is reacting with other substances. Okay, that is only known as bleaching. अभी ब्लीचिंग में क्या होता है? सपोज वाटर में कोई बैक्टीरियास है, बैक्टीरिया. दिस बैक्टीरिया सेल वॉल इज देयर, सेल वॉल. दिस सेल वॉल इज रिएक्ट विथ दिस ऑक्सीजन. दिस सेल वॉल इज गेटिंग ऑक्सीडेशन, मतलब इधर ब्रेकेज होता है. बस एक बार बैक्टीरिया का सेल वॉल इज ब्रोकन, then the bacteria will be die. Indirectly the bleaching is killing the bacteria. किसका सेल वॉल है उसको किल कर सकते. वायरस को we cannot kill because virus doesn't have the cell walls. उसमें कोई ऑक्सीडेशन होने वाला नहीं है. Okay, biology students they know very well. Okay, so bleaching means this one. It contains 3.62% mass percentage of sodium hypochlorite. These are producing nascent oxygen, nascent hydrogen, nascent chlorine. Three are there. So these are highly reactive, highly unstable. Okay, there is no stable. In situ, immediately generating and reacting. Note, mass percentage, parts per million, mole fraction and molality do not change with temperature. See, I told in the last class also, कहाँ volume नहीं है, those are not depend on the temperature. Only molarity change with temperature. Not only molarity, of course normality also. एंड मास बाय वॉल्यूम परसेंटेज आल्सो. कहाँ वी है वो सब तो डिपेंडेंट है. ओके, राइट. अ फ्यू क्वेश्चंस. विच इज इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ टेम्परेचर? यस, ऑफ कोर्स यू saw the answer. Mass percentage, is it depends?
No.
No.
Mole fraction?
No.
Parts
No.
per million?
No.
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 So what is the answer then?
All.
All. See here, few things are there. Still 5 more minutes. In the solution already normality, molarity we learned. Suppose, see, I am taking A for acid, B for base. This acid and base I am adding here A plus B. Okay, then what will be the molarity or concentration? Molarity of solution. Molarity of solution. Suppose A for here acid I am taking HCl, I am taking here base NaOH. ठीक है, वो रिजल्टेंट सोल्यूशन का मोलारिटी क्या है? हाउ यू विल कैलकुलेट दैट फार्मूला नॉट येट कम, वो 11th में आया था. आई एम राइटिंग हियर MaVA माइनस MbVb अपॉन Va प्लस Vb. ये मॉड्यूलस, ये प्लस माइनस कुछ नहीं है. ठीक है. So I will take one example, then I will ask you answer also. HCl is there. HCl का concentration ये तो 1 m liters, it is a 2 liters. Concentration here it is 1 m, it is 3 liters. ठीक है. Now what will be the resultant solution concentration? Just those values you put it here in the formula. A for acid, acid का molarity कितना था? 1. 1 into 2 minus 1 into 3 upon 2 plus 3. क्या होगा? 2 minus 3 by 5 modulus, that means 1 by 5. 1 by 5 means 0.2 molarity. Okay, you understood? Is there any difficulty here?
No, sir.
No. Now the question is, ये 0.2 m तो concentration है, लेकिन is it acid or base? Is it acid or base? साल्ट तो नहीं है.
Base. Acid.
कुछ लोग एसिड बोल रहे, कुछ लोग बेस बोल रहे. सो व्हाट इज द आंसर? See, only 2 students given quite opposite, and third I will depends on next opinion. Yes, boys, is it acid or base?
Base.
Base. Okay, the base is the correct answer. Base is the correct answer. लेकिन why? See how to decide. Here MaVA and MbVb values we have to see. Suppose MbVb is greater value, then therefore it's a base. Suppose MaVA value is more, obviously it will be acid. The resultant solution will be acid. Here you can see here B, base is the value is 3 आ गया, इस acid का तो 2 आ गया. So obviously the resultant solution concentration is this much, and it is basic in nature. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So everyone, you note down this formula: MaVA minus
Yes, sir.
MbVb by Va plus Vb. Okay, ये कब है? Whenever acid and base है तो. Okay, suppose if it is only acid, both are acids are there, then here plus will come. I will give one question, then if you want to note down, you can note down fast. Just formula you write it, that's enough. See, I am giving here one question. HCl 1 m concentrated 1 liter, H2SO4 1 m concentrated, ये भी तो 1 liter. Now it is mixed, so the solution concentration is which formula you will use? First of all, tell me. If you know the formula, you will get answer automatically. Formula, what is the formula? M1 V1 plus M2 V2 by V1 plus V2, ये फार्मूला यूज़ करेंगे, और N1 V1 plus N2 V2 by V1 plus V2. Which formula you will use?
N1 V1 plus N2 V2 divided by V1 plus V2.
Okay, this formula you have to use. What was the reason? इसका वैलेंसी डिफरेंट है. Suppose if I give you both are H2SO4, you can use this one. Both are HCl, you can use this one. But whenever it is monobasic and is a dibasic, it is monobasic, that means 1H plus it can donate, it is dibasic. So in that case you have to use only normality. Okay, you use this one and tell me the answer. I given you formula, tell me the answer. Yes, he is telling 1.5. Everyone got it? 1.5.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will try once. N equal to N1 V1, ये पूरा फर्स्ट वाला 1 मान लो, सेकंड को तो 2 मान लो. नाउ N1 V1, N1 तो 1 ही होगा, इंटू 1 लीटर प्लस H2SO4 का 1 m. If you convert into normality, what is the formula? Normality equal to molarity into Z, that means 2 हो जाएगा, इंटू 1 लीटर, नीचे 1 plus 1, that means 1 into 1 plus 2, that means 3 by 2, that means 1.5 is the correct answer. Everyone, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.